Discover the benefits of Silymarin, derived from milk thistle seeds. Benefit 1. Liver health, protects against toxins and liver diseases. Benefit 2. Antioxidant power, fights free radicals, reduces oxidative stress. Benefit 3. Anti-inflammatory, eases liver and body inflammation. Benefit 4. Detox support, efficiently eliminates toxins. Benefit 5. Cholesterol management, lowers LDL cholesterol. Benefit 6. Gallbladder wellness, improves function, prevents gallstones. Benefit 7. Skin health, helps with psoriasis and acne. Benefit 8. Diabetes support, aids in blood sugar control. Consult your healthcare professional before starting. For the best Silymarin supplement, click link in the profile.